Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is the table topic for today is being different makes the world a richer place. Being different makes the world a richer place. Hi everyone. So I want to talk about that being different is important in today's world. And how should we think about that? It's not just about that being different or celebrating different. So there are actually many things that we can think about. Uh, so we think that many people think that why they are different, why they are born so different, and they start thinking that it's their fault, but it's not. Uh, uh, so why I'm talking about this, right? Why this? Why being different is important in society? So just think for a moment that what if we all have had the same taste in music, and that's why all the music is same. Think about the food, the food, the different cuisines taste the same. You would be tired of it, right? So just think about if all the people behave the same way, like the same people. In my opinion, it would have been disaster. So uh, so in my opinion, being different is very important. And it's not just, you know it's not just okay, it's wonderful being different. And and we should embrace this, and whenever we treat people with a different opinion, we should have respect for that person. We should not just uh, uh, we should celebrate the being different. That's what I feel. Yeah. And let's all think about whenever you encounter someone, behave. Do not let people to feel that they are different, and that's why things are happening to them or whatever. Let's celebrate it. Let's think about that. Why in our society being different is very important, and we should cultivate it. We should nurture these kinds of people. Thank you. Over to you.